I have some new car seat cushions I'm getting ready to put in my vehicle. They're from SoJoy, and I got them to help protect my car seats as an alternative to traditional car seat covers. These car seat cushions are sold by SoJoy, and they come in the gray color here. They're also available in a creamy tan color. I do worry about damaging or staining my car seats, which could negatively impact the sale price if I do decide to sell my car. I do spend a lot of time in my vehicle commuting, and sometimes I eat or drink in the car and have things spill out of my purse. These cushions could be a lifesaver, offering protections from stains and sharp objects. I'm going to go ahead and try to put them in the vehicle so you can see what they look like. Wow, those were really easy to put on. It only took me a second. It was great because there's just the one clip at the top here, and then the one that clips up underneath to put the headrest one on. In my previous vehicles, I had the traditional car seat covers that fit around the seats. They have a lot of straps, and they're very hard to secure. The types of seat covers like that tend not to really fit very well. They're not universal to every car, and they tend to sag in places. It's very inconvenient. This seems like a great alternative type of car seat cover to have. They have non-slip silicone beads on the underside here, and it's a honeycomb design, and they're even washable, which is great. They have a very nice feel to them. Another really cool thing about these seat covers is part of the way they're marketed, and that's a really good idea, is you can use them after fitness activities. When you're running, hiking, you know, you're sweaty, you're dirty, you can, you know, sit on these. It's not going to stain your car seats. They're washable, and they're actually slightly cooling the gel inside to kind of cool you down after your workout. So I thought that was a really cool thing about this. I mean, I mainly got them to just protect the seat, something easy that I could have on, really easy for me to take off and wash, and just not straps everywhere. I'm really looking forward to using these. They're great. Oh, and they're also bacteria resistant and breathable, odor-free gel on them. Well, that is the SoJoy seat cushion. Please check the description section below for more information, and please consider subscribing to this channel. We always appreciate your likes and comments. Thanks for watching.